Yeah, a little bit of everything. You know, this is technically our second severe weather season. We have usually some rough weather in the spring, and then in the fall, those transition months, November into December, we can also get some severe weather, and looks like that is, yeah, that's what Mother Nature is going to be bringing us here tomorrow. Not today, though. In fact, weather is pretty nice today. Temperatures, they are warming up into the 50s now. 56 in Memphis, 57 in Oxford, 55 in Somerville and in Corinth. We've got sunny skies all around. It is going to be a nice afternoon. High temperatures nearly 60 degrees with that sunshine continuing all through the day. So if you've got anything loose outside, including those Christmas decorations, I know you got Frosty the Snowman in your front yard, so make sure he is secure. Bring those decorations inside if you can, because the winds are going to be picking up tomorrow ahead of those storms. Speaking of tomorrow, here is the latest severe weather outlook. We do have a level 4 out of 5 risk. That is for North Mississippi. That is where the Storm Prediction Center has outlined the greatest risk of severe storms. Again, that is a 4 out of 5. Everybody else is in the 3 out of 5, but I will tell you, looking at the latest data, I would not be surprised if they took all of this and shifted it east, maybe even southeast a little bit. That next update is at 11:30, so I'm hoping I'll be able to get that new map to you before the end of the show. But I do think the greatest risk is to the south of Memphis, really watching Mississippi tomorrow. Now, don't get me wrong, anybody could see severe weather tomorrow, but I do think the best ingredients are going to be down in Mississippi. That's what we're really going to watch. Here's the latest hour-by-hour forecast. Tomorrow morning looks good. We will see storms start to develop as soon as lunchtime. Spotty storms here or there. Now, these are not going to be severe, so if you see some rain at noon tomorrow, don't worry about it. Could be a little heavy, but not severe. We get a little break between 2 and 3 p.m. and then a second round of storms moves through. That a little closer to dinner time, maybe even after that. And this is the round we're going to watch. Notice how a lot of those stronger storms really firing up down in northern Mississippi. But anybody could see a storm tomorrow. If you do, it could be strong. I'm going to stop the clock at 9 p.m. because this is really what we will need to be most concerned about. These supercell storms that are popping up in the environment that has the best ingredients. And notice, really, again, highlighting North Mississippi, maybe over to Selmer. That is the area we're going to watch. Through midnight, still some storms in Corinth and Selmer, but I think after midnight, everything moves out. So by the time you wake up on Wednesday morning, all of the storms are going to be done. Now, I wanted to show you the storm energy. These are the ingredients that the storms need. And what you'll be able to see is really, again, highlighting North Mississippi as the greatest risk zone. But everybody has a little energy. It doesn't take a lot. It just takes the right storm to combine those ingredients together. So if the ingredients do come together properly, damaging wind gusts are the greatest concern. Gusty winds, heavy rain, small hail and flooding, not a big concern. But again, if those ingredients can get our act together, tornadoes also not out of the picture. Some could be strong, especially in North Mississippi if everything comes together properly. So we want you to stay updated. Download that ABC 24 app. It's available for iPhone and Android, and we'll keep you updated there as things develop. But again, that's in the afternoon, especially into the evening time after dinner tomorrow. We're going to be watching the weather for you. Don't want you to be alarmed. Just keep an eye on it as you go about your daily routine tomorrow. The rest of the week looks nice, though. Sunny and cooler, 40s and 50s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and another chance of some light showers by the weekend.